These guys are eager. These are our Chihuahuan ravens circling around as they do so well, going back and forth. Look at that flight. Sometimes it looks a little crazy, that wing motion. Sometimes it's very consistent. You are looking at the best flyers in the aviation. They really can eat up the sky, certainly slicing through the air. They have long wings. Notice how long they are, and notice they're tapered. They come down almost to a point. This guy's coming right in over your head. Look at that. Landing his, or fanning his tail to land. And look at that beak. His face is almost all beak. That's a very important tool for the Chihuahuan raven. They will spend much of their day winging overhead looking for food. And they have the ability to fly long distances with a lot of strength and stamina, in part because they are so agile. Again, the wing shape tells us that. It's tapered, so they're very maneuverable. And look at those tails. I'm seeing one now twisting back and forth. This bird is using it as a steering device. It's a rudder coming in again, very close, and landing in front of you. But again, notice that tail was used as a brake just then. Tails can come in handy in a variety of ways. But there's a stiff breeze today, and I bet these birds are going to really enjoy flying. Moving quickly. Now, as I said, they spend a lot of the day hunting on the wings. They circle overhead, fly maybe 40 miles searching for food, and ravens are omnivores. So food comes in all ways for them. They can go after plant material, maybe scooping down onto the agricultural field, getting grain, or maybe going by an orchard, getting fruit. But of course, they're predators. Well, you saw that beak. First and foremost, it's a killing tool. Boy, they are really moving, aren't they? Look at that. It looks like fun. The bird uses that brush or stab spray, which is a swallow tool. Spray for the raven would protect maybe grasshoppers, lots of other insects. Certainly, it can also include lizards, small tortoises, birds, all kinds